Power energy storage refrigerator capable of refrigeration, freezing, essential camping gear. Ready to go with size. Bring your favorite cold drinks, beer, and laughter. Large capacity refrigeration加 deep freezing. Equipped with dual USB charging ports加 Type-C. Long-lasting power assurance for tablets, phones, drones. Built-in ternary lithium power cell. One-click inverter activation. Combined with intelligent inverter and efficient thermal management technology. Ensures 1,500 watts high power output. One-click activation for steak grilling, grill and barbecue. Water heater, electric fan. Comes with energy-saving LED lighting. Connect to power source. Illuminate the camping night. Share wonderful time with your family and friends.